Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here, custom made barbershop in Jacksonville. I almost got tongue tied, I almost lost my word. But today I got a special video, but before we do that, shout out to Barber Illuminati. Barber Illuminati, shout out to you, okay? Shout out to you, Barber Illuminati, okay? Shout out to you. Anyways, today's video is gonna be about this right here. The most viewed subject on my channel, okay? This airbrush right here. It could be either any kind of airbrush, okay? What I'm gonna show you today is how to properly clean an airbrush. I had a subscriber reach out to me and ask me how to clean out this airbrush machine or any other airbrush machine that you might have. Now the thing is, I'm gonna tell you guys how I clean it now. I used to clean it with alcohol, 91% alcohol, just regular alcohol you can buy over the counter. I think I might have bought this at Family Dollar for like $1.50 or something. All right, I used to clean it out with that, but now I clean it out with something different, something that cleans it a little better. But you got to be careful because you might have a cheap airbrush, and I think this is somewhat cheap. I don't even know the name of it, but it's somewhat cheap airbrush, but it's been working for a while. I think I had it for about 3 or 4 months. And the way I clean mine out now is I use acetone. Acetone is what people use to remove nail polish, okay? It is 100% acetone, and this is really strong, okay? It's somewhat like alcohol, but it says easily remove gel, glitter, and polish. And this is highly flammable too, so you want to be careful with this if you got kids, anybody that can harm themselves with this. You want to be careful with this, okay? So I'm gonna get straight into the video and let you guys know what I do, and I'll explain how to clean it, okay? And like I said, you could use this with any airbrush machine, but like I said, acetone is really strong, so if you got a cheap airbrush machine, it might damage your airbrush, the sprayer, or the thing that holds the Kiss Express. So, don't quote me on this, but this is really, the acetone really cleans your airbrush machine out. All right, so every night after I get through cutting, what I do is empty out my airbrush. I empty it out, pour all the solution out, the Kiss Express out, and all I do is just get a little bit of acetone. And you can find this at Dollar Tree for $1, okay? $1 at a Dollar Tree, okay? And I just pour a little bit of acetone in the airbrush machine right here and put the top back on it. Let me cover this up. Put the top back on the acetone. And I start spraying, okay? I don't know if you guys can see the mist coming out of the airbrush machine. So instead of Kiss Express coming out, what you see is acetone. And at first it's gonna come out a little dark because it might still have a little bit of Kiss Express in there, but this one doesn't. It's actually already clean. So you just spray all the Kiss Express out. I don't know if you can look at the piece of paper, you can kind of see the wet mark. And spray it, spray it, spray it. I just leave my hand on the trigger, this trigger right here, and I just continue to spray. Ooh, this thing is pretty strong, so be careful, all right? Don't spray it in your face because this is highly flammable and it is strong. So I think right now I kind of sprayed all of the acetone out. And of course you don't want to leave acetone in there. So what I do is I get a little bit of water. It's regular water, okay? Spring water. You want to open up this compartment right here. And you put a little bit of spring water in there. Bam. You want to do the same thing, put the top back on it, close that spring water back up, and then same thing, you want to spray the water out, okay? And that's all we're doing. We sprayed the acetone out, now we're spraying the spring water out. All right, so I put a whole lot of spring water in there. So I'm probably gonna either have to fast forward, I probably shouldn't have did that. I'm probably gonna either have to fast forward or pour some of the spring water out. But anyways, you guys get the gist of this. All I did was pour spring water in this compartment right here, a lot of it, and it's spraying out the acetone. What I used to do at first was I put a little Dawn dishwashing soap in there, and then I would do water. But I guess I got lazy and I stopped doing that. So what you can do as well, just to kind of make sure everything's clean, you put your finger over this and make sure it bubbles up, okay? And then let it spray up a little bit. So instead of it coming out, you go ahead and put your finger over and it bubbles in this little compartment that holds the fluids. All right, so that's enough. So I just empty out all the water. And what you would do is make sure you hit that trigger, make sure you spray all the water out. And what I would do is I grab a paper towel, go in there, make sure I clean everything out real good. Still a little bit of water in there. And before you shut down at night, you want to make sure you clean this out. And I normally mix my Kiss Express, so all I did was spray a little bit of alcohol on the top, just to be safe. I normally mix my Kiss Express solution with alcohol, so it doesn't hurt to spray a little alcohol in there. Like I said, I used to spray my airbrush, clean my airbrush out with alcohol. I'm not doing that anymore. Now it's just strictly acetone and water, but I just sprayed a little bit of alcohol. So I guess if you spray a little bit of alcohol, it won't hurt, because my Kiss Express solution is already mixed with a little bit of alcohol. So that's what I do to clean out my airbrush. And like I said, you can use this method with any airbrush machine that you have. Master Airbrush, the designer airbrush machines. This is a cheap airbrush machine. It works well for me. So if you guys got any questions, go ahead and comment below. Don't forget to follow me at custom_made, MADE_cuts on Instagram. Custom made cuts, okay? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Barber Illuminati, okay? And if you guys, like I said, if you have any questions, comment below. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.